Another exciting announcement about the red planet Mars from NASA. First, it was evidence of flowing water. Now something entirely different, which might explain how the planet became dry. My colleague Jim Spellman is here to explain it all. Pretty exciting stuff, Jim.
We're learning so much about the red planet. Scientists believe that in the past, the surface of Mars had large amounts of flowing water. It had a thick, warm atmosphere with all the building blocks for life, an environment somewhat similar to our own here on Earth. But now Mars is a cold, barren planet with only traces of water. So what happened to the atmosphere? NASA researchers now think that solar wind, charged particles like protons and electrons flying through space at about 1.6 million kilometers per hour, stripped away the atmosphere of Mars. The winds bombarded Mars and sent the ions of the Martian atmosphere flying off into space or crashing into the planet's surface. The new insight comes from MAVEN, that's NASA's Mars Atmosphere and Volatile Evolution Space Probe. It's been orbiting Mars since September of last year, Asiye.
So could solar wind do the same thing to Earth?
The short answer, probably not, thankfully. One less thing we have to worry about. Here's why. The Earth has a strong magnetic field, right? That's why we have a north and south pole. It's why compasses work here on Earth. That magnetic field shields the Earth and sends the solar winds mostly around Earth's atmosphere. Mars also had a magnetic field at some point, but it disappeared about 4.2 billion years ago. It's unclear why. It is possible that Earth's magnetic field could disappear if our planet's core cooled down enough. But if that happens, NASA scientists say it would probably not be for a billion years or so down the road. Plus, solar winds, I say, were much more volatile in the early era of the solar system. They're much more calm now, so I think we're safe, at least for the time being.
Good to hear. Thank you, Jim Spellman.